New Executive Committee of Tripura Photo Journalist Association were elected by vote on Sunday through an election for the terms of 2 years. The returning candidate officer Pranab Sarkar has announced the names of newly elected Executive Committee after the election.
Second annual general meeting of Tripura Photo Journalist Association was organized at the Agartala Press Club on Sunday. After the meeting, the new Executive Committee of Tripura Photo Journalist Association were elected by vote on Sunday through an election for the terms of 2 years. The state senior reporter Pranab Sarkar has taken the initiative for the election. There were 71 voters in total. Out of all, 62 voters has voted for the candidates. Out of 13 members, there were 9 candidates contested in the election. A president, 2 vice president and cashier was elected after the election. The returning candidate officer Pranab Sarkar has announced the names of newly elected executives committee after the election.
2023-25 কমিটি নির্বাচিত হয়েছে। সভাপতি প্রলয়জিৎ পাল আনকন্টেস্টেড হয়েছে। সহসভাপতি সুমন দেব রায় আনকন্টেস্টেড হয়েছে। ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট আরেকজন আছে সজল চক্রবর্তী আনকন্টেস্ট। সাধারণ সম্পাদক অভিষেক সাহা, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট জেনারেল সেক্রেটারি 1 নম্বর মিল্টন ধর, 2 নম্বর বিশ্বজিৎ দে, ট্রেজারার সুমন ঘোষ আনকন্টেস্ট, এক্সিকিউটিভ মেম্বার 1 নম্বর ভাস্কর দাস, বাপন দাস, কৃষ্ণপদ বণিক, কিষাণু দেববর্মা, চিন্ময় চৌধুরী, প্রবীর দেববর্মা।
The president of Tripura Photo Journalist Association of 2023 to 2025 is Prolajit Paul, Vice President Suman Debroy and Sajal Chakraborty, Secretary Abhishek Shaha, Assistant Secretary Milton Dhar and Vishwajit De, Treasurer Suman Ghosh, Executive Member Bhaskar Das, Bapan Das, Vishnupad Banik, Kishanu Debarma, Chinmay Chaudhary and Probir Debarma. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini Khorang.